Chad, will you tell me, this wall looks kind of scary. Somebody installed this backer board and I'm not too impressed.
Say you.
Yeah.
That was me.
Yeah. So
I
tell me,
missed a spot here.
we apparently missed. Tell me what else might be going on with these walls that are already installed. This cement board. Cement or stickers. We got some missing nails. This nail is sticking out.
We got a flappy edge over here.
This nail is turned over. Where's the flappy edge? We got a flappy edge. Oh, this one's not even nailed anywhere in the middle. Okay.
I might have missed.
Oh, there's a nail that didn't even hit the stud.
Same with that one.
Okay, so this is no good. Everybody see that, right? Well, you guys, after this morning, are all equipped with the knowledge to fix this wall.
Okay.
Right? So today, and what else is wrong with it, Chad? Show us what else is going on here. What should this wall be? When he puts a straight edge on it, we're shooting for flat today, okay? These are, obviously, we're building temporary walls, so we're not too worried about level and plumb. Today we're looking for flat. We'll be doing good if we can get that far today. But if we put that straight edge against here, what do we got, Chad? Well, I got a good way to check. Let me see, I've got some spacers in my pocket. This is an 1/8 inch spacer. Well, that just falls in there. We're going to be installing large format tile. Did I mention that? So this needs to be within an 1/8. So I should not be able to get this spacer anywhere in there. All the way, oh, it touches there and it touches here. So I'm good on those sides. I want to see something. Let's take 2 1/8 inch, that equals a quarter. Oh, I can get a quarter in there too. Okay, so is this ready for large format tile? You guys get to fix it. Okay? We've got another half of a wall right here. And we've got some more backer board over there. Would you guys rather fix the backer board after it's installed? Or would you rather fix the wall and then install your backer board?
Fix the wall. Fix the wall.
Okay, so we're going to look at some options for doing that as well. So we're going to fix this side of the wall before we install the backer board. Then you guys are going to install the backer board. Well, we don't know. Oh, well, let's check it. Let's do the same thing. That stud, this stud is more like 3/16. I don't think I can get 2 of them in there. This is more like a 16. So this is the worst stud on this wall. Okay, so we've got to get it within an 1/8 inch. Make sense to everybody? So this is the project on the walls. And then today, because of cure times and things like that, we're kind of going to dance around this whole thing. So we're going to prime, we're going to go back outside, we're going to pour, we're going to figure out the floors in here. So I'm going to move you around a lot today. So I'm kind of giving you an overview right now so you see all the work that needs to get done by the end of the day. But I'm going to push you back and forth from inside to outside, floor to wall, so that we get a lot accomplished today. Okay?